Voluminous interiors meet iconic harbour and ocean views. A 5-bedroom family residence that celebrates pure architectural elegance with a lifestyle you could only dream of. Circa 1920s, the original Masonic Lodge has undergone a dramatic transformation, where renowned architects Weir Phillips have created a home of unrivaled craftsmanship.
I've been working as a real estate agent in this area for 24 years, and in that time I think I've sold more than 1,200 houses. Genuinely, this house would be one of the nicest homes I've seen ever in my career. Until someone comes here and looks at it and actually sees the quality, I don't think they can fully appreciate how nice this home is.
The Gaggenau kitchen is anchored by this striking island, 9 metres of the most exquisite Calacatta marble. And just when you thought you'd seen it all, there is another full kitchen upstairs. Affectionately referred to as the breakfast kitchen, you can enjoy your morning coffee admiring the world-class views. The grand elevation soaks up every inch of Sydney's magnetic harbour. Just imagine the New Year's Eve fireworks, front row seats to its sparkling brilliance. The home office could be the 5th bedroom, but the master is a palatial retreat like no other. Ceilings soar to a dramatic 5 metres, elevating that feeling of expanse. And complete with a dressing room, it promises a true 7-star experience. Of course, there is a lift to every floor, and if you're lucky enough to be a guest here, this would be your quarters, a boudoir of complete opulence. These parquetry floors are in fact over 200 years old, sourced from a French chateau, and the terrazzo staircase yet another glorious centrepiece. You feel completely removed from everything, yet in reality this glamorous family refuge is only moments to Sydney's most exclusive harbour beaches and parklands. It is an existence beyond comprehension, promising a life that exceeds every possible expectation. To arrange a private viewing, please contact Michael Palatial.